To answer the question, at what angle in degrees should the Men in Black agent shoot his laser gun up at the alien, it is best to be able to draw this picture. And so what we're doing is we're finding that angle of elevation, which is x. And so here again, we are looking at what trig ratio should we use. That 324 is our opposite. That 152 is our adjacent. So we're going to go ahead and use tangent. And so we're looking at the tangent of x equaling 324 over 152. To solve this, you're going to use tangent inverse on each side, and what that's going to do is allow us to get that x value by itself on the left hand side. So I'm going to type this in on my calculator using second tangent and then typing in my fraction. The answer for x is 64.86, but again it's asking you to round to the nearest whole degree, so therefore we would say the answer is 65 degrees.